Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today you are going to learn how to change your Facebook name. To do this, open Facebook app, enter your email and password to access your account. Then press on the hamburger icon on the top right of the screen. You will see Settings and Privacy option, and under it click on Settings. Inside Settings, press on Meta Accounts Center, then tap on your profile and tap on it again. Then you can see the option of changing name. Tap on the name option and you can edit it to what you want to change it to. When you're done editing your name, press on Review Change and then on Save Changes. Now your Facebook name has been changed. In this way, you can easily change your Facebook name. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to drop a like and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.